Welcome to the channel, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we are gonna take a look at the iPhone 12 mini. That's right, this is a gorgeous little device. I haven't turned it on yet. I'm kind of eager and excited to. I think I'm gonna make this my business daily driver. I know, hear me out. I like the size, I like the look, I like the feel. However, before I go ahead and put my main work SIM, my main business SIM card into this and take it off into the world, into the wild, I have to make sure it's protected. I have to make sure, at the very least, as much as I enjoy this form factor and this feel and how solid this phone is in my hand, I have to make sure at the very least my screen is protected. And who do I trust for all of my screens? Whitestone Dome. That is correct. They are a giant presence here within the YouTube community. They support creators. They make sure they take care of their customers. When you buy this right here, the Easy Glass, you actually get two for the price of one. So if you mess up your install, don't worry, you can reinstall it. Or if you actually happen to break the glass, you peel it off, you throw it away, and you have an extra one right there ready to go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the install. Now, I will warn you, this is now the third time I'm installing the Easy Glass and the second time I am installing the glass protector for the camera. So let's go ahead and get right into it and see what the contents are. This is called our rig. I also call it the tray. We've got our bag of goodies. We have the stickers. These will help to remove dust. I promise they work. Don't throw it away. You can see spectacles on your glass and you comes right up, easy peasy. Alcohol swabs, super good to have, definitely. They give us two, and little itty bitty little terry cloths, soft little things to go ahead and clean your phone and your glass. And of course, we get two different Easy Glasses to install right here. So let's go ahead. First things first, let's clean our screen and then position our device within the tray. Clean. Couple things to go ahead and take into account. Look at the cutout and the extra space they give you there and they give you there. Typical Whitestone Dome fashion. They are thinking of anything and they are thinking of everything. So now I can see right here that I see a couple different speckles, and we want to go ahead and make sure everything is off, because once we put the glass on and it stays on, if we pull it up, we got to be super careful, but we want to make sure we get it right the first time. This looks pretty amazing. I feel confident we're moving through this process pretty darn quick. We're going to go ahead and go to our actual screen. Now, when we pull this down, the adhesive is going to be on this side, so be mindful. And now we're going to take it and we're just going to gently rest it on there, and then we're going to make like a cross type of, like a cross, like we're praying that it's going to work. Drop it there. Nice, perfect cutout for the earpiece. Perfect for the side. So we're going to go ahead and do that little cross thing I just told you about. And now you can watch as the pressure moves it out all over the place. So it is looking like a nice, good install. Perfect screen. I feel really good about that. Let me go ahead and turn it on and you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm seeing. So there is that beautiful little Apple logo. It looks extremely happy right now. So there we go. I absolutely love it. It looks phenomenal. Guys, this actually might be my new favorite phone. If you I'm so excited about this iPhone mini. If it wasn't for the camera on the 12 Pro Max, this might actually be a major contender to actually stay within my life. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Thank you for supporting me and the channel. If you like, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Not mandatory, but I definitely do appreciate it. Don't forget, if you want to pay me the ultimate creator compliment, please share my content with your friends and family on your social media. Until next time, for the love of tech, namaste.